Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to ITC China Vibes. For today's video, we're going to spend this day with the Filipinos. Are you ready?
Oh shit, what are you doing on my channel?
Hey, this is my channel, you know.
Oh my god, why?
Don't you remember?
What?
This is my channel. For today's video, we're going to spend today with the Filipinos, not yours.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You forgotten?
Ok, I'm sorry, so that's the here. Oui, bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur ITC Channel Vibe. Donc aujourd'hui nous allons faire une vidéo spéciale philippine. Donc restez avec nous du début jusqu'à la fin. Mais avant de partir, pour le générique, je vais demander à mon invité aujourd'hui de se présenter pour vous. Okay, but now would you like to introduce yourself for our viewers?
Okay, sure. Hi everyone, my name is Jade Camille Banyal and I am from the Philippines. And then I'm here in China to study and of course to enjoy myself. Okay guys, sa mga kaibigan ko dyan na nasa Pilipinas, so gusto ko panoorin nyo to hanggang sa matapos para naman makita nyo kung paano namin ini-spend yung araw kapag nasa dorm lang kami or kung walang pasok. So makikita nyo dito kung paano kami maglaro, kung paano namin introduce yung mga iba't ibang mga pagkain na Filipino foods actually. And then, makikita nyo din na maglalaro kami ng iba't ibang klase ng mga larong Pinoy. Sana magustuhan nyo tong video na to. Salamat guys!
Maraming salamat!
Yeah!
Buenos días con ustedes, mi nombre es Algebra Hadi, tayo na Ciudad Latina de Asias, Ciudad de Zamboanga. Ahora, taki kami na China, tayo sudya kami Chinese language.
And yes, we are studying here in China. And we hope that all our friends and families there in Philippines are safe.
Yeah, gracias. No me olvidamos subscribe and like and share this video. Yeah.
Okay, hi guys!
Hello!
Welcome to ITC China Vibes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, today is a special Filipino day. So we're gonna try to help our viewers to discover Philippines, to know more about the Philippines. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions and we try to reply clearly and help me and my viewers to know more about the Philippines, okay?
Yes, of course!
You're welcome.
Okay, my first question is what? If one of our viewers don't know anything about the Philippines, how can you describe Philippines in 1 minute for them?
Well, me.
Okay.
Well, Filipinos are hospitable, happy.
Yes.
Filipinos love to eat a lot.
Filipino is so resilient despite the disasters and those calamities that we've been through.
Yes.
Okay, but you didn't tell me where is the Philippines. Is it in Africa? In Europe?
Yeah, Africa.
Well, I'm gonna tell you where is the Philippines located. Philippines is located in Asia, particularly in Southeast Asia. And Philippines is an archipelago. At the same time, it comprises lots of islands, 7,107 islands. And then it has big 3 islands, which is the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
I would like to go there. Will you bring me to the Philippines?
Sure!
Okay, so guys,
Book a ticket now.
later maybe in our vacation I can go in the Philippines and make some vlog in the Philippines.
Yes!
Okay. So which language do you speak in the Philippines?
Tagalog.
We have almost 200 language, I guess. Dialects.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
But we just speak Tagalog or English.
so
Original dialect.
Because it is islands, every island has different dialects.
And tribes.
Tribes. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako nga po pala si Ket Japet Lapay, taga Davao City, at ako po ay isang scholar at isang estudyante dito sa China. Ang mensahe ko po para sa aking kababayan na mag-ingat at labanan ang novel coronavirus 19 at panatilihing nasa loob ng bahay. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
So your official languages are Tagalog and
Yeah.
English. Yeah.
which one do you like more?
English.
Tagalog. We are Filipino, so Tagalog is the most.
Who prefer Tagalog?
Me, of course.
Yeah, fair all.
What about English?
Both. Because you know what? When you speak English, you can communicate with other people. So, in order for you to express your own self, so we can use English.
Okay, my second question is that what Filipinos think about foreigners?
What do you think about foreigners?
When a foreigner came into the Philippines, you know what? The first thing I observed with the Filipinos, Filipinos are very approachable, and then they're accommodating those foreigners in their homes. They're all welcome, of course.
Okay, so what is your first time to meet foreigners? I mean, foreigners from another country, like Africa, Europe, or America?
The first time I've met a foreigner, oh my gosh, I forgot, but
Okay, what is your first time to meet an African?
here in China, actually. Yeah, the first time I've met
Do you remember the name or the first African that you met?
Hugo.
She said Hugo. What's my name? Oh my God. So, who knows another country in Africa?
Me, Gabon. I know Gabon.
Gabon.
Yeah, and South Africa.
South Africa. Okay.
The West Cape, you know, in South Africa.
And I know Madagascar, Egypt, Morocco.
Oh.
Yes.
I'm following the run.
Who else?
And Malawi.
Marawi lang natin.
Kenya.
Kenya.
Tanzania, Zimbabwe.
Ay, shucks. I don't know anything.
So you guys know Africa very well.
Yes.
We do love everyone.
Okay. Would you like to go to Africa?
Sure. I wanna.
Okay. So the third question: if you guys want to talk about Philippine peoples, what can you say about Philippine people?
I miss them.
They are always laugh.
Always laugh.
Yeah.
If you want to describe Philippine people to our viewers, how can you describe them?
Friendly.
Friendly.
For me, not just friendly, but also family oriented.
Who else? You?
And we are so very welcoming when it comes foreigners
Very
go to
hospitable.
our country. Yeah, so hospitable Filipinos.
You want to say something? Why do you have a mask?
For safety.
He has coronavirus.
We love to eat. We love to eat.
Okay. So can you tell us about your Filipino food?
Sure. The best. We have adobo. Adobo, you know adobo? Sinigang.
Mechado.
Adobo and
Sinigang. You should try sisig, kare-kare. Yeah. Pinakbet.
Balot.
Ay, this is the best thing. If you're going to the Philippines, you should try the balot.
Yes.
balot.
Yeah.
Balot.
Okay, which one is the best one?
Balot.
Balot.
It is a street food. It's yeah.
And guys, you must try the kuracha in Zamboanga. I do really miss eating that. Oh my god. Kuracha is a crab, half crab and half what's that?
I don't know.
Half crab and half lobster. Yeah, it's so delicious. Kuracha in Zamboanga and Sati. Oh my
You must
god.
try free durian in Davao.
Durian.
Guys, you should try pili and then laing in the Bicol. It's really
Bicol
delicious.
Express.
Bicol Express also.
Okay.
Yeah, you can express.
Thank you guys.